Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we will be learning JavaScript and the DOM. I will cover 11 topics in this series. What is the DOM? Browser event. Select element by ID, tag name and class name. Use CSS queries to select page elements. Get and set content. Change element attribute. Set inline style. Create new element and remove nodes. By the end of this course, you will be confident building programs using JavaScript. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel, Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time, so please stay tuned. Now, let's get started with our first topic. What is the DOM? The DOM or Document Object Model is a way for your web browser to understand and organize the content of the web page. It takes everything you see on the page, like text, images, buttons, and links, and turns them into objects that the browser can control and display. Imagine the DOM as a family tree for a web page. At the top is the web page itself, and below it are different parts like headers, paragraph, images, and so on. These parts are all connected and organized in a structured way. The cool thing is that developers can use the DOM to change or update the web page without reloading it. For example, if you click a button, the text gets updated. Now that we understand what the DOM is, let's understand about the browser's global window object. For that, I will open my project file to-do list. I have added the link of this project file in the description below. Feel free to download and follow along with me. At the moment, this project is static. We just have this index.html for the markup, and all the styles are added under style.css. Soon, we will make this interactive so that we would be able to add new list items, remove the item, and we can even show or hide the entire list items. Now, let's get started. Open the developer tool, go to console, and add the alert method. Add any message. I will say alert box. Hit enter and you can see the alert box. Likewise, let's use location.sref. This allows us to show the current URL. So, where did this alert and location come from? We didn't create them, and they are not defined in the JavaScript file added in our folder. Alert and location are part of the browser's global environment. The browser has a global object called the window object, containing all the properties and methods available to the current browser window. Let's clear this console and type window and hit enter. This is a window object, so click this icon to expand. You can see there are many properties. For example, here you can find an alert which we used earlier. If you scroll down, we can also see the location. If you expand, you can see it has the href property holding the current URL. All of these globals are properties of Windows object. So we can also use window.alert by alert box, and the alert box work just like before. And we can use window.location location.href, and this worked like before as well. Keep in mind, we can call any properties or method of window object without referencing window because window is the global object of our environment. So its properties and methods are automatically globally available even without referencing the window. So accessing any of these properties or method without a window is like using a shorthand way of doing so. A window object also contains a really important property named document. It is an object and is the entry point into the DOM. We can use this document object to select and control elements of the web page. This document and some of its properties are what we will focus on this course. The document object is the root of every node in the DOM. For example, if I access window.document, the console returns a reference to the current document with elements such as HTML, head, body, and so on. We just learned that window is the global object, so we can just type document instead of window.document. Remember, the elements in this document are now treated as objects via DOM. These objects are called nodes. We can access any properties of this object, read or modify their properties. For example, let's type document.title. It returns the title of our web page. I can update the title text by using the up arrow to bring back my previous command, add equal to any string name, let's say my new title. Notice the title is changed. To return the body of the current document, type document.body. We can also change the style of the body. So let's use document.body.style.background color equals green. Most of the style changes are applied under style.css, but this is just an example of how we can access and change part of the current page with JavaScript via DOM. If you go to the Elements tab, notice how the body tag has the style property with the background color I have added. If I check the page source, find the body tag, the changes do not appear here. And the title element also didn't update with the text I have added with JavaScript. This illustrates the difference between the actual source code and the DOM we interacted with using JavaScript. Similarly, we can access certain elements of the page and change the content or remove entire content from the DOM. Let's use document.body.innerHTML and assign them to h1 tag with the text Hello World. Hit enter, and this replaces everything in the HTML with the heading Hello World. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will understand about the browser event. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.